Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove your credit card, debit card or Mastercard from your Shopify account. It's very easy thing to do. Uh, if you add your card and want to change it now or want to delete it now, so follow these steps and you will be able to remove your card from Shopify. So how you can do it? First, go to Shopify and admin.shopify.com. Then you will be redirected to this page. From here, you will see an option from the left bottom's corner, settings. Select it. Now here you will see a bunch of options. From here, select billing. Now you will see your cards here, or you can go to payments option also. If you then you will see your cards details here. Just you will see also a three dot icon right beside it, and just click on it and you will see an option remove or delete. Just select it and it will be removed, and that's it. That's how you can remove your cards from your Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and also subscribe for more videos like this.